If you've been looking for free Android games online, itch.io is one of the best places to start. The only catch is that itch.io has games for a lot of different platforms, so if you don't use the filters correctly, you might end up seeing PC games, browser games, or paid titles that won't work on your phone. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to find free Android games on itch.io, how to filter the results properly, and how to understand the difference between free and name your own price. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy tech guides. Alright, let's jump in. First, open your browser and go to itch.io. Once the site loads, look for the browse menu at the top. On mobile, this may appear as a three-line menu icon. Tap it, then say select games. This brings you into the game section where you can start narrowing things down. From there, look for the filter by button. Tap that to open the search parameters. This is the most important step because the filters are what help you find games that actually match your device and your budget. Now, set the platform filter to Android. This tells itch.io that you only want games made for Android devices, which helps remove a lot of unrelated results. Next, go to the price filter and choose free. That will show you games that cost nothing to download and play. If you want even more options, you can also look for listings that are marked name your own price. These are technically free too, because you can enter $0 and still get the game, although the creator gives you the option to donate if you want to support them. If you're browsing from the top sellers or a similar section, you may also notice a free tag on some games, which can be another helpful way to spot no-cost titles. After that, you can optionally narrow your results even further by choosing a genre. For example, if you like indie games, simulation games, or platformers, selecting one of those genres can save you time and help you find games that match your taste faster. Once your filters are set, itch.io will update the results and show you the games that match your choices. At that point, you can browse through the list, open any game that looks interesting, and check the details before downloading. Always take a quick look at the game page so you can confirm it supports Android and that the price is either free or name your own price. That way, you avoid wasting time on games that won't install on your device. So just to recap, the process is simple. Go to itch.io, open games under browse, tap filter by, choose Android under platform, choose free under price, and optionally refine by genre if you want something more specific. Once you know how to use these filters, finding free Android games becomes much easier and much faster. If this video helped you, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.